me for being slow? Did you say I'd never win the race? Want to know how I crossed the finish line? Then listen close and hear my story. Step by step, the turtle moves along. Step by step, and never stopping now. Once upon a time, deep in the woods, the rabbit laughed and mocked the turtle. Slowpoke turtle, come and race with me. There's no way that you could ever beat me. At the starting signal, rabbit blazed ahead. Far away and out of sight he flew. I already won this race for sure. Underneath the shady tree he lay down. So what did the turtle do back then? Did she give up? No, no, no. Step by step without a single rest. One more step and then one more again. Step, step, let's go just like the turtle. Slow is fine as long as you don't stop. Step, step, I know that I can do it. Keep on going and you'll reach the top. When the rabbit rubbed his eyes and woke up, wait! The turtle was nowhere in sight. Far away beside the finish flag, the turtle had already made it first. When your letters come out crooked on the page, or you're scared to talk to someone new, are you gonna quit because it's hard? Try again just like the turtle did. Step, step, let's go just like the turtle. Even if you think you can't, just try. Step, step, never ever give up. Keep on going and you'll reach the sky. Talent means nothing if you stop and quit. Keeping going beats the talent every time. Just a little more today than yesterday. That's what we call real and true courage. Step, step, let's go just like the turtle. Even if you think you can't, just try. Step, step, we will go together. Every child who never quits. Come on and shine. We can, we can. Our brave child who never gave up. Turtle and the rabbit, hand in hand. Together they will run.
Do you want to give up? If you give up, your dream will disappear with you.